So we are going to practice to turn the egg because you're going to be doing pancake and eggs, all right? Turn around, let me tell you. Very good. Let's try that again. Very good, Alex. You're getting the pancake turned nicely. All right, come. Remember, you're gonna hold the pot with your left hand, right? Then turn. Beautiful. Let's try that again. Beautiful. Open, close, turn. Beautiful. Try that one more time. Hold the pot, open, close, turn. Excellent for Alex. All right. So we're gonna get that open, close, and turn in the kitchen. What you're gonna do first?
Water half.
Very good. Come on. Next, rub your hands. No, you're gonna be doing pancake. What you're gonna be doing?
Pancake.
Pancake. All right. Here we go. So here you have your pancake. Okay? All right. Mommy's gonna guide you along. Come, Alex. You're gonna put about 3 spoonfuls of the pancakes in here. Alright, that's enough. And put it on the side. Good. Now, Alex, you're going to add water. There's the water. Add it to your pancake mix. Good. Let me see. Whoa, wait now, man. You know if you're going to your pancake mix. Take out the spoon. Plug it in. Alright.
Fix it back.
Hold it up. Hold it. Turn it on. Push it up. Good. Mix it out some more, man. Mix it out some more. Woo! Excellent for Alex. Alright, Alex, it needs to mix a little bit more in the corner. So come. Mix around the corner. Hold the bowl. Yes, turn it on. Mix. Alright. Hold the bowl. Alright, set it down here. Good boy. Plug it out. No, plug the thing out of the water. Alright. Very good for Alex. Alright, Alex, now. Come now, you're gonna let me put this over some more. Come, you're gonna finish with your pancake story. You're gonna hold it and spray. Alright, come put your finger on it. Good boy. Alright, that's enough. You don't have too much. Let me see you spray all of the corners. Alright, very good. Turn on the stove now. The other way. Push, 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 and turn. Put it on medium. It's on
Medium.
medium. Alright. Now we're gonna wait on the pot. We're gonna wait on the pot to get stop it up. You get good. You wait on the pot to get
Hot.
hot. Alright. Come Alex. You're doing very well. I love it. Woo! Excellent for Alex. Alright, good. I'm excited enough. Come. Do next is you're gonna put it closer. Hold it, pot with your left hand. Lean it like this. Good. Use a spoon and you're gonna take up and you're gonna pour. Take your time. Good boy. More on it. Well, I know Alex, you need to follow up the section there, so come. Put some more in this side. Pull up this corner, Alex. Put some more in it. Alright, hold it. Okay. Ready, fire? Come. Don't touch this thing. Put some in the middle. Right. Good boy. Put more in that. Yeah, put more in that one. But it's gone over there. So put more in the middle one. Oh, Jesus. Whatever pancake. Put more in this. Put more in this one. Good. And put more in that one over there. Yes, man. Go on with your pancake. Put more in that one. Put a little more in that one. Come, do your thing, yeah, man. Do your thing. Put some more in this one. Yes, put some more there. Put some more in this one. This one. Put a little bit more on the corner. Alright, let's wait now. Wait. Let's wait before you put any more. Wait. We're gonna wait on the pancake. We're gonna wait. Alright. Hold this something properly, you know how it go. Hold it. Hold on a little. Tilt your hand under, man. Yes. Wait. Open this packet. Open this up. Push it under. Turn it. Flip it over in that one. Alright. Turn that one over there. Open. Open this spatula. Open this spatula. Good. Turn it and put it over there. Good boy. Turn another one and put it over there. Open. Good. Put it there. Put it there. Fix it. Pancake them favorite friend don't play. Very good, Alexander. Where's the apron? Go get the apron. Pick up the pancake. Put it in the fridge.
Sorry.
Turn it sideways. No, beat it. Hit. Come, you want to do that one? Come, hold it. Break it out. Put the trash over there. Good job. Come, do alright. Break another one. Come, hold it. Hold it sideways. Beat it. Hit it. Hit it, man. Hit the egg. Hit the egg. Good job. Do it again. Turn it sideways. Break it again. Hit it. Hit the egg. Use your finger and break it out in there now. Good. Nice. Put it over there. Let me see if you have any. Wait, you're not going to do all three one time. Let me see if you have anything everything in there. No. Alright, hold on. Little bit. Little tubes. Alright. Close the cupboard. Now you're waiting on your oil to.
Okay.
You're waiting on the oil to hot. You're
Hot.
waiting on the oil to
Hot.
hot. Alright. You're gonna heat the oil. Heat the oil. What happened? You're ready to put in the egg? Wait. Egg. Pour in the egg. Pour it over in there. Yes. Come and put liquor salt in the egg. What is this?
So,
Salt. Open. Come on. Pour some salt in the egg. Alright. Oh. That's enough. Because I want to. Alexa, look. What am I doing with him egg? God, come. Must hold the spatula properly. Hold the pot angle. Yeah, man. Turn it over. Good job. Take it on the other one. Come, turn the other one. Hold the pot angle. Hold the pot so that the pot not jump off the stove. Hold the pot, Alex. Right.
Excellent.
Woo! Look at my boy. Hey, Alex, you're doing excellent. Excellent. Clap. Come on.
select the select the
That's my proud bad. Come here. Woo. Alexia, go on with yourself. And look how you egg them perfect now. Go for the egg them, Alex. Put it in the plate. Guy, hold the pot. Yes, take it out, put it in the plate over there. Good job. Hold the pot, Alex. Yeah, man, go on. Beautiful. Alright, you're going to do another one. Put it out in the bowl.
Everything in there.
Take out the shell. Take out the shell. That's right. 14. Come put salt on it.
Hey, before you take your friend in uni.
Alright, you need one more, okay? Come and turn it. Come and pick up. Turn the egg. Come and turn the egg. Come, turn the egg. Turn over your egg. Hold it up properly. Hold it up a little closer.
And hold the pot, Alex.
And remember to hold the pot. Hold the pot. Turn it over. Very good. Nice. All right. Pot, remember to hold the pot.
Excellent. Turn off the stove.
Turn
Come
off
on,
the
turn off the
stove.
stove.
Turn off
Turn
the
it
stove.
off.
Turn it off. Turn it off. Turn it right around. Come on, turn it around. All the way around. Good job.
Excellent.
Alright, you're going to share the breakfast now? Come no man. Wait, put an egg in the plate.
Gotcha.
And put two pancake now. Put another pancake in there.
Gotcha.
Come put pancake over there. Alex, beg you one more, no man? Beg you one more. Put it over there, so. Alright, that's it. Okay, that's it. Come put a little syrup.
Okay.
Alright, stop. Put some in the other one.
Gotcha.
Put it over the card and the empty plate. So.
Alright.
Alright, that's it.
Gotcha.
Come on, put it. Well, that's not too much. I'm not feeling bad. Hold on. And then take one corner, put it down. Take this corner and fold it over. Come do the same thing. Fold the napkin. Very good. Put it under the plate. Put this one over the other side. Give me fork in there. Take the fork from Daddy. Take the fork from. Put the fork on the napkin. Put the fork on the napkin. One fork on the napkin.
Gotcha.
Put it down. Put down the fork. Put down the fork. Nice. After you see that nice piece of something. Nice. So what with your fork, Alex? What with your fork? Come. Pepper on. Use your fork.
Goodbye.
Drink up.
Done.
Come on, Alex, you did excellent. You did?
Excellent.
Come on now. Excellent for Alex, excellent for Alex, excellent.
Thank you once again for joining us in this another day in the life of living on Autistic Edge. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and make sure you subscribe so the next time we put out another content, you will be notified.